This Daewoo Kenmore fan is very hard to find, but we've been able to come up with a non-OEM solution to make these available and fixable, and I'll show you how to swap this out. You've probably received this kit in the mail from our website. If not, check in the comments below to buy it. This is the OEM version, and this is our non-OEM version. They're identical in specs, and we've developed and tested this to make sure it works with your Kenmore Daewoo refrigerator. All you have to do is just swap the frame out on the chassis, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to get started. Then from there, you're going to flip it over and pull the blade out. It just takes gentle pressure. Then you're going to take the fan out. This is the grommet. Maybe it came out, maybe it did not, but just ensure the grommet stays in place. And then you're going to insert the new fan in. And then you're going to ensure the grommet's on the top of this again. And then use your screwdriver and just simply put the two Phillips screws back in place. Once you've put the two screws in place, you're just going to flip it over and put the fan blade back on the fan shaft. And there you have it. Our non-OEM solution for what's very difficult to find Daewoo Kenmore fan is available. You'll notice that the cord has been modified. We've modified it to make it compatible with your refrigerator. And if you want to buy it, just click on our links. You'll see a link to our store. Sometimes we have the OEM versions available, but usually not. Anyway, click on our link in our store and you'll see them. Thank you.